Topics for Us presents shocking psychological facts that can actually make your life better. Hey, ever feel like your brain is working against you? Well, you're not alone. Today, we are diving into 10 psychological facts that are not only surprising, but can actually help you live smarter and happier. And they're all backed by science. So let's get into it. Number one, your memory lies to you. You probably trust your memories. After all, they feel so real. But research shows that every time you recall a memory, your brain actually changes it a little. It doesn't just pull a perfect recording. It reconstructs the memory from scratch. This means every retelling, every reliving can slightly distort the truth. You may remember a fight worse than it was, or imagine details that never happened. Understanding this can change how you argue, how you forgive, and even how you understand your past. Be open to the idea that your version of events may not be the full picture. Number two, eye contact equals instant connection. One of the simplest, most powerful ways to connect with another human being is eye contact. Research shows that sustained eye contact can trigger feelings of trust, empathy, and even romantic attraction. In one study by Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin, complete strangers reported feeling emotionally bonded after just 4 minutes of uninterrupted eye contact. It's not just about flirting. It works in interviews, presentations, and even tough conversations. If you want someone to feel seen, heard, and understood, look them into their eyes. Number three, peer pressure still works on you. You might think peer pressure only affects teenagers, but the truth is, adults are just as vulnerable. In classic conformity experiments, people gave clearly wrong answers just because others around them did. Even when the facts were obvious, the fear of standing out or being wrong led people to follow the group. This still happens in offices, social media, and even families. Being aware of this can help you pause and ask, am I doing this because I believe it's right or because I don't want to stand out? Number four, rushing kills kindness. In a fascinating study from the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, even people preparing to become religious leaders walked right past someone in distress if they thought they were running late. The more rushed they felt, the less likely they were to stop and help. When you're rushing, your brain enters tunnel vision, filtering out anything that's not related to the task. This is a reminder to slow down when you can. Build some buffer time into your schedule. It makes you not only more productive, but also more compassionate. Number five, your brain loves being right too much. Ever notice a good feeling when someone agrees with you? That's not just pride, that's dopamine. Your brain literally rewards you for being right, or at least feeling right. This creates what psychologists call confirmation bias, the tendency to seek out info that supports what we already believe and ignore what doesn't. The danger in that? You stop growing. Break the loop by exposing yourself to new viewpoints. It won't feel good at first, but it will make you wiser. Number six, you can miss what is right in front of you. Our brains are powerful, but they're also selective. We don't process every sound, sight, or word. We focus on what our brain thinks is important. This explains why you can lose your keys while staring at them, or zone out during a conversation and miss something important. It's called selective attention, and it's your brain's way of reducing overload. Practicing mindfulness and slowing down your multitasking can help you tune back in and see what's actually around you, instead of what your brain filters in. Number seven, too many choices stress you out. Ever feel overwhelmed picking a movie, a cereal brand, or even a dating app match? That's choice overload. When you have too many options, you're more likely to feel anxious, second-guess your choices, and avoid making a decision at all. We think more options equals more freedom, but really, fewer choices often lead to more satisfaction. Simplify your decision-making. Pick your top 3 options, flip a coin, or set a timer. It sounds silly, but it works. And it frees up brain power for things that really matter. Number 8, you could cross the line. What would it take for you to go against your morals? Hopefully nothing. But in a study found in the Journal of Abnormal and Social Psychology, 65% of ordinary people would deliver what they believe to be electric shocks to others, just because an authority figure told them to. The takeaway isn't that people are evil. It's that pressure and authority can warp anyone's judgment. Know your boundaries before you're tested, and trust that uncomfortable voice in your head that says, this isn't right. Number 9, Thinking burns calories. If you've ever felt mentally exhausted after doing nothing, there's a reason. Your brain, though only about 2% of your body weight, uses up about 20% of your daily energy. This means stress, overthinking, and deep problem solving can be just as draining as a workout. This is why you feel fried after meetings, emotional conversations, or even planning a vacation. Mental fatigue is real. Make space for rest, breaks, and boredom. It helps your brain reset so you can come back sharper and stronger. Number 10. Flaws make you more likable. Want to seem more confident and relatable? Mess up a little. Psychologists call this the pratfall effect. When competent people make small mistakes or show vulnerability, others actually like them more. Perfection is intimidating, but when you spill your coffee, admit you're nervous, or laugh at yourself, people connect with you on a human level. So next time you're tempted to over-polish or pretend you've gotten it all together, don't. Authenticity wins every time. So there you have it. 10 weird, wild psychology facts that you can actually use. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this with someone who loves a little brain science in their life. Remember to keep believing in yourself, and we will see you in the next video.